my name is Lily. I'm with the Sleeplay team and I'm here to talk to you about the SoClean CPAP cleaner. Let's get to it. Okay, so your CPAP cleaner comes with the manual, the slot plug, the pre-wash neutralizer, and an adapter. Now, depending on which machine that you have on our website, you can choose, depending on your machine, which adapter is good for you. The first thing that we're going to do before we start using the SoClean is we're going to pre-wash everything. We're going to pre-wash your mask, your tubing, and your water chamber before you use your equipment. And you're going to use the pre-wash neutralizer, which is essentially an unscented soap. Once you complete those steps, you're going to let it dry, and then we're going to set up the equipment. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put the adapter. Now, for demonstration, we're going to use the AirSense 10. Now, you're going to receive this adapter, and what we're going to do is we're going to remove the lid from the water chamber. Don't forget to put it back, because if you're going to travel, you're going to need it. And then we're going to put the new adapter that you received. Once it's in, you're going to find the little tubing, okay? And all this is connected with your equipment. Now, if you look at it, it has an adapter at the end. This adapter is to be used with the DreamStation machine or another type of CPAP that you might have. We're going to disconnect it, and then you're going to plug it to the spout on the top of the water chamber, like so. So over here, we're going to put the slot plug. And this is important. If you don't have this piece, it will not detect your tubing, okay? So you have to have it on right. It's a little tricky, but you can look at your manual and it teaches exactly how to put it in. Then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put your mask inside and try to put it up to the corrugated part in your tubing, like so. Once everything is connected and ready to go, you can choose two options to clean your equipment. Now, you can either do it manually with the manual button on the bottom, or you can do it automatic. The automatic feature, it's mainly you would schedule the time and date that you want your equipment to work. It really depends on you. For this demonstration purposes, we're going to use the manual button. It takes 2 hours for SoClean to clean your equipment. SoClean uses activated oxygen, which they also call ozone. Ozone kills 99% of bacteria, viruses, and funguses. So it's really good for your equipment. Remember, you're going to use this equipment to disinfect your mask, your tubing, and your water chamber. Now we're going to press the manual button, and the SoClean is going to work for 2 hours. Now you're going to see 3 lights. You're going to see red, yellow, and green. When it's in red, it starts working. When it's in yellow, it's in the process of cleaning your equipment. And when it's green, you're ready to take out your mask. Usually they suggest for you to wait, I don't know, like about an hour or 2 before you use your equipment. Important things to remember. Every 6 months, you should order your filters and also the valve. If you notice that there's moisture in the valve, it should be exchanged. You should get a new one immediately. Okay, so 2 things: the valve and your filter. Okay, and you can go to our website, Sleeplay, to get these items. And that's it. Good luck with your machine. Thank you.